we got PotatoAtor, a fun Flickade spin-off that I've actually been working on for the last little while. Basically, in a nutshell, you play PotatoAtor just like you would play Flickade, except in this case, instead of knocking chips off of the table, you're knocking your own little potatoes. The last person with any potatoes remaining is the winner, and you could already probably tell, but the main difference between Flickade and PotatoAtor is that the chips are a little bit bigger as they are potatoes, so a little bit chubbier, and not necessarily that this affects gameplay, but the entire container is one big potato. Since the main goal of this was to make Flickade as potato-y as possible, I made the colors also more closely resemble a potato, as the big gigantic container potato is brown, just like a typical potato, and then I felt the other colors that closely resembled the potatoes are orange, red, brown, and tan. So at this point, you're probably asking why I even did this in the first place, and I'll agree, it's actually kind of silly. I just wanted to have a game that represented the state I'm from, which, if you can't guess already, is, yep, Idaho. And the first thing I think of when I picture Idaho is potatoes, hence the PotatoAtor game. Before we jump into a round of PotatoAtor, I do want to mention that these will be on Etsy most likely by the time you're watching this, in which case you can get one and get a small piece of Idaho. Anyways, let's jump into PotatoAtor. Potato, potato. Oh, she got your big one.
So I can get it. Whoa! What did you do?
No!
Get it now?
No!
Let's go
The great potato took me out.
Oh!
Oh! That's the first time I've ever won these flicking games.
I was so close!
Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed seeing that first ever round of PotatoAtor. I definitely thought it was fun playing, and ironically, I actually managed to win that one, despite never actually winning a round of Flickade. Well, that's the PotatoAtor project. I actually ended up trying something new in this one, which was fuzzy skin when slicing the potatoes. That made the rough looking potato. I'll definitely still have the smooth one, as I think they both look pretty cool. But aside from that, I'll have a few extra shots here at the end, and bye!